We're making Jello Pudding Pistachio Cookies. Start with some butter. Ounce of butter, 28 grams of butter. Yesterday's butter is so good. A generous tablespoon of monk fruit, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and then 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. Secret ingredient is gonna be our Jello Pudding Pistachio mix. And just 1 packet right into the middle. 2 whole eggs. Attach our dough hook, lock it in, and then I'm gonna add in a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna use a little bit of our buttermilk from yesterday. Oh, God damn it, I spilled my buttermilk again? Nice. Ah! Love it, love it, love it, Don, love it. Lay down our baking sheet and our silpat. Oh, that's a massive cookie. Is that too much? I think that's too much of a cookie. I'm gonna put some of these dried cranberry. Just something to give it a little bit of love. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt, a little sprinkle of salt on the top. Into the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. And we're done. As they were cooking, they smelled so good. I don't like pistachio flavored anything. I like pistachios, but give it a shot. To me, this is like a perfect cookie. I like them a little well done, but fluffy on the inside. I'd feel like it's more like a cake. Not an overwhelming flavor of pistachio, and they're not too sweet because I didn't add a ton of sugar. Erring on the side of healthier. I'm gonna try it with the cranberry. The tartness of the cranberry definitely sets it off and complements the light sweetness of the actual cookie itself. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10 because it could be much more pistachio forward. Could also just be a better recipe. I love the concept of baking. I cannot stand the fact that it just requires nothing but flour, butter, salt, and sugar. I just wanna be healthy. Give it a shot, try it out. Let me know if you do. See you next time.